Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. So when you're very hungry and if you want to make something really quick in just about 15 minutes, this recipe is for you. We're going to make this delicious and tasty Rava Pongal. So let's get started and check it out. To a pan, add quarter cup of Moong Dal and dry roast it for about 2 minutes on low flame. There is no need to brown it too much. Once you get a nice light aroma, you can turn off the stove and transfer it to a bowl. Now wash the roasted dal thoroughly. Add it to a pressure cooker with just enough water to cook, along with a pinch of turmeric powder. Close the lid, put on the weight and pressure cook for about 5 whistles on medium flame. Once done, open the pressure cooker and you can see how beautifully the dal has cooked. Now let's start making the Rava Pongal. In a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the kadai is hot, add 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and about 10 to 15 cashew nuts. Roast them until the cashew nuts turn nice and golden. This adds a lovely crunch and flavor to the pongal. Next, add half teaspoon of asafreda, 2 slit green chilies and a piece of finely chopped ginger. Let these saute for a few seconds. Now toss in a few fresh curry leaves and mix in a small pinch of turmeric. This adds a mild color and subtle earthiness to the pongal. For this recipe, I am using half cup of rava, which is roughly about 125 ml cup measurement. Add the rava, that is the semolina, to the tempering and roast it well for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. It should turn slightly aromatic. Don't let it brown too much. The ratio here is half cup of rava to quarter cup of moong dal. Now add the cooked moong dal into the kadai and mix it all together on low flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Now here is the most important part, which is the water quantity. Use the same cup you have used for measuring the rava. For 1 cup of rava, we'll need about 3 cups of hot water. Adding hot water ensures that the pongal turns soft and cooks faster. Pour in the hot water slowly while stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Close the kadai and cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Once done, open the lid and you'll see a nice soft creamy pongal that is ready to be served. Finish off with a generous drizzle of ghee on top and give it a final mix. Just look at that. Doesn't that look tempting already? You can serve this creamy and delicious Rava Pongal with some sambar and coconut chutney by the side. This is a simply unbeatable combination. If you're craving for a quick and comforting tiffin, this is your go-to recipe. The Moong Dal and Rava blend so beautifully that the texture is almost like halwa. Soft, smooth, and it just literally melts in your mouth. So we've made this Rava Pongal in just about 15 minutes and I can't wait to try it. So there you go. Wow. The flavors are just incredible. It's literally melting in my mouth. Wow, so tasty. The flavors are amazing. Well, I really enjoyed that Rava Pongal, something different from the usual upma or khichdi that we make. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.